Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. How you doing? Okay, I've got another unboxing. And this has quickly become one of my favorite subscription companies. I am really, really enjoying all of the goodies that I'm getting from these. I'll get the box and the bag. And I did unbox the box the other day. I will link that video up here. And today is the Ice Cream Beauty Bag for May 2021. Now, this bag, not only do you get all full-size products, but you get a palette every single month. Yeah, a full-size palette. In addition to that, it's flipping $12.50. I know. It is amazing. I am obsessed with this subscription. And I did crack this open already. And I used a bunch of the products. And I am over the moon. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. And I do have a discount code. I will flash it up on the screen. So scoop this up for yourself. They've got their beauty box, which I believe is $24. And this is their beauty bag, which is $12.50, like I said. However, I will say there's free shipping with the beauty box, but the $12.50 bag I'm unboxing today, there is a $4 shipping charge. So it comes to just over $17 with tax and everything. So, but still, that's super good. Okay, let's dive in and let me show you what's in here. This, the ice cream subscriptions are on the newer end. They did just start offering the bag, which is the one I'm doing today, a few months ago, 2 or 3 months ago. And I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. So I do definitely highly recommend it. Now, each month we do get a little piece of paper that's got a list of all the items in our bag, along with the prices. Okay, the first thing we get in the May 2021 bag is this gorgeous lippy. Look at that color. That's really super, super pretty for like spring, summer. I would more of it, maybe summer. It's like a dark coral. So this is by Amore Us. And I've gotten stuff from them before. I think in this subscription. I don't know. But this is a matte lippy. And it retails for $8. So very, very affordable. And I do really like their products. Now, the other thing we got in this month's beauty bag is this lippy, or this lip liner, I'm sorry, in this super pretty mauve color. And it is just a regular sharpening lip liner. But, y'all, I did use this today. And, you know, because I'm older, I know, I'm up there in age. I do have wrinkling starting around my lips. And if I don't use a lip liner, or for that matter, a good lip liner, a lot of times my lippies, my lipstick will bleed into my wrinkles. And that drives me flippin' crazy. So I'll always, always, always wear lip liner. And this one went on so nice. It is a beautiful, beautiful color. And it glided on my lips really, really nicely. without tugging or pulling. It's not too waxy. I love it. Love, love, love this lip liner. Now, the lip liner is from the brand Italia, and it retails for $6. So, again, very affordable, but great quality. The next thing we got is right here. This is also by Amore Us. And it is a natural setting spray. And I also used this today. And if you've seen me mention before, possibly in any of my other videos, I am really picky about the sprayers that I use, because if the actual spray nozzle sprays out like a super duper duper fine mist, then sometimes it's too fine and you don't get enough product. Other times the sprayers spray too much and you literally get drenched like a flippin' shower of setting sprays. Now, I will say this one was awesome. The mist on it was perfect. It sprayed evenly all over my face, and I used it. I actually use setting spray before all my makeup, right over my primer, kind of as like another primer. And then I also set all my makeup with it. So it worked really, really good. I'm super happy. Absolutely love it. Okay, last but not least is this month's palette. And it's like this Western looking palette. Isn't it cute? And the brand is Trend Beauty, and I did use it today. It's got a nice little mirror in it, and look at those gorgeous colors. It's like the rose and like some brown colors, and I love, love, love colors like this. I probably have like more than, I've got a few different palettes with these colors, but like I said, I did use it today and it worked amazing. Okay, so it was pigmented, but the colors were still buildable. So it wasn't over the top, if you know what I mean, if that makes sense. The shimmers were stunning. They, like, look at this one. Look at that shimmer. It was just so buttery and creamy, and I mean, pop that on. It's just like, wow. Oh my gosh. Now, this palette actually retails for $20. So it's definitely a more affordable palette, but it's really, really, really good quality. I am just gaga over everything that we got. I think the only thing I may not use is this bright lippy, but only because I just don't wear a lot of colors like this. But I may try it. I don't know. Okay, so I believe with this bag, the beauty bag subscription, I think you get like 4 or 5 full-size items every month. So this month we got 4. And the total value of this box is $44. Now, you might say, okay, that's not a very high value. It's not. It's a $12 bag. But, hold on right there. I did calculate out the percentage of savings compared to getting the box over paying retail for each of these items, like I've been trying to do lately for you guys. And when I calculated it out, I actually used the dollar amount of $17 instead of the $12.50 because I included the shipping cost in when I calculated it. So technically, it's still about a 62% savings off of what you would pay retail if you were to buy each of these items individually versus getting this subscription bag. So I'm good with 62% off. Heck yeah. What do you think? Do you agree? Yeah. Definitely give this baby a try. The owner has been sweet as pie, and I've only had one issue. I think my very first box from them, one of my palettes was cracked, but she replaced it immediately. Here's my discount code. Definitely go check them out. Like I said, this is like fast becoming one of my favorites because I've definitely been loving all the goodies lately. So that's it. That was my May 2021 Ice Cream Beauty Bag unboxing. Before you go, I would appreciate it if you would smash that subscribe button. It does help my channel out so much. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on all of the good stuff I post on a daily basis, which includes unboxings, spoilers, and actually discounts, sales, new releases, and stuff like that from different brands. And I do search out mystery boxes, and I'll let you guys know when I come across those so you can get in on them. Love you bunches. Mwah, 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 mwah. Thanks again. I will talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.